One of the questions I get asked most about the Mediterranean diet is, what can I eat for breakfast? Today I'm going to share with you 7 authentic Mediterranean diet breakfasts. As you probably know, the Mediterranean diet is considered to be one of the healthiest, if not the healthiest diets in the world. And if you watch my other videos on the Mediterranean way of eating, you also know that in many cases the Mediterranean diet is not what we think it is. For example, the Mediterranean diet is a high-fat, high-carb diet, but people who eat this way are able to reduce the risk of heart disease as well as most other preventable diseases and are able to lose weight and keep the weight off. We have talked extensively about what people eat for lunch and dinner, but what do they eat for breakfast? Breakfast in the Mediterranean can be quite varied. Anything from beans to leftovers from dinner to eggs, vegetables, fruit, and cheese. But there are a few ingredients that show up on almost every breakfast table. To hear more about what people in different Mediterranean countries eat for breakfast, check out our What is a Real Mediterranean Diet Breakfast video here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos about the Mediterranean diet. Here are 7 authentic Mediterranean diet breakfasts. Number 1, eggs and tomato sauce and mozzarella, or eggs in purgatory, is a traditional Italian dish that features eggs poached in a spicy tomato sauce topped with melted mozzarella cheese. The dish is named for the way the eggs resemble souls caught in purgatory, with the fiery red tomato sauce symbolizing the flames. It is a comforting and flavorful dish often enjoyed for breakfast or brunch. Many people think that eggs are not eaten in the Mediterranean diet, but they've been enjoyed there for thousands of years. The eggs are often organic and come from herb-fed chickens that are raised in the backyard. Eggs in purgatory are often served with crusty bread or polenta. Sautéed spinach or roasted potatoes can also accompany this classic Italian breakfast dish. Number 2, sabich, or a roasted eggplant sandwich. Sabich is a popular Israeli street food sandwich that is traditionally eaten for breakfast. This sandwich has a rich combination of flavors and textures that come from roasted eggplant, hummus, hard-boiled eggs, pickles, and tahini sauce. It might not sound like something you want to eat for breakfast, but let me assure you it is one of my favorite breakfast sandwiches of all time. Besides the wonderful flavor, this is also a perfect representation of a Mediterranean food that is great for your health. It is a meal complete with healthy proteins from the hummus, eggs, and tahini sauce, fermented foods from the pickles, healthy carbs from the eggplant, cucumbers, and tomatoes, plus healthy fats from the hummus and tahini sauce. Number 3, avocado toast with wilted spinach and cherry tomato sauce. The avocados that I have had in Greece are very large and incredibly flavorful. I love to make all kinds of different avocado toasts, but this one avocado toast with wilted spinach and cherry tomato sauce is super quick and just plain delicious. Serve it with some feta cheese and fruit and you will have an incredibly satisfying breakfast. This avocado toast is packed with healthy fats from the olive oil and avocado, plus antioxidants from the spinach and tomato sauce. Number 4, spinach and goat cheese quiche. This French spinach and goat cheese quiche is a popular savory tart that is enjoyed for breakfast, brunch, or lunch. This dish exemplifies the elegance and simplicity of French cuisine, combining a buttery pastry crust with a rich, creamy filling. It is often served with a simple salad or fruit and bread. This quiche is another great example of a complete meal full of antioxidants, iron, and protein. Number 5, harcha. Harcha is a traditional Moroccan semolina biscuit that is often enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack. It has a distinct crumbly texture and slightly sweet flavor. Harcha is one of the easiest biscuits to make, has only a few ingredients, and can be whipped up quickly for a filling Mediterranean breakfast. Harcha is often served with honey or jam, nut butters, cream cheese, eggs, olive oil, and fruit. Harcha also has some surprising health benefits, such as being high in protein and fiber. It is moderate on the glycemic index scale and can actually be good for weight management. Number 6, Lebanese pizza or flatbread with za'atar. Lebanese flatbread with za'atar, also known as manakish, is a popular Middle Eastern dish that combines a soft, chewy flatbread with a flavorful topping of za'atar. Za'atar is a spice blend made primarily from dried thyme, sumac, sesame seeds, and sometimes other herbs and spices. This flatbread is a staple in Lebanese cuisine and is enjoyed throughout the day, especially for breakfast or as a snack. Manakish is often served with labna, a tangy, creamy strained yogurt plus vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, and radishes. A bowl of olives also will usually be served on the side. Cheese or fried eggs may accompany the flatbread as well. And of course, you will always have a cup of tea or a nice strong coffee with your flatbread. In my opinion, manakish is a true representation of a healthy Mediterranean breakfast. When served with labna, vegetables, and olives, it is high in fiber, protein, antioxidants, and full of ingredients that are great for your gut microbiome. Number 7, Greek yogurt with honey and fruits and nuts. Greek yogurt with honey and fruit and nuts is one of our family's favorite Mediterranean breakfasts when we don't have a lot of time and when we want something that is both filling and delicious. In Greece, yogurt and honey is eaten often both for breakfast and for dessert. Adding fresh fruit and nuts makes this a complete and balanced meal that will keep you full until lunch. This is another example of a dish that is high in protein, healthy fats, and full of prebiotics and probiotics for your gut. There you have it, 7 authentic Mediterranean diet breakfast recipes. Most of the recipes for these dishes are linked below. There are a few that are from our exclusive Mediterranean membership program. If you are interested in any of our programs, check out the links below. And as always, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion.